The Honorable Finance Minister yesterday stood in this house and she likened us, the opposition, to Videsh ka Dushman. And she said we have Jalan ka Bhavna at India's growth. I stand here today to tell the Honorable Minister, wherever she may be, it is our inalienable right to ask the questions of this government. It is our right to question your incompetence. And it is this government's Raj Dharma that should make the treasury benches sit down, listen to our voices, and not react like the proverbial Khisyani Billi. What this country needs is an elected government which plays hard morality, hard legality, and hard economics. No soft anything. I urge this government and the finance minister to take control of the economy. And I urge the people of India to take control over who they give the reins of this country to. सवाल ये नहीं है कि बस्तियां किसने जलाई, सवाल यही है कि पागल के हाथ में माचिस किसने दी.
In a dramatic turn of events, Mahua Moitra, a first-time member of parliament representing the Krishnanagar Lok Sabha seat, faced expulsion from the Lok Sabha on December 8th.
सांसद श्रीमती महुआ मित्रा का आचरण अनैतिक और संसद सदस्य के रूप में अशोभनीय है और इस कारण उनको लोकसभा सदस्य बने रहना उपयुक्त नहीं होगा.
The unfolding saga began with serious allegations of accepting gifts and cash in exchange for parliamentary favors, leading to an investigation by the Ethics Committee. The cash for query case took center stage as a Trinamool Congress leader vehemently denied wrongdoing, accusing the committee of unfair practices. The following timeline outlines the key events from the initial allegations on October 14 to Moitra's expulsion, encapsulating the legal battles, committee findings, and parliamentary uproar that marked this high-profile controversy. October 14th, Supreme Court lawyer Jai Anand Dehadrai files a complaint with the CBI alleging corruption and money laundering against Mahua Moitra. Moitra dismisses the allegations, labeling Dehadrai as a jilted ex. October 31st, Mahua Moitra defies the Ethics Committee's initial summons, citing lack of official notification and media leaks. November 2nd, Moitra agrees to appear before the Ethics Committee but walks out, accusing the committee of bias and unfair questioning. November 10th, the Ethics Committee submits a report to the Speaker recommending Mahua Moitra's expulsion for accepting illegal gratifications. December 8th, the expulsion day. Chaos ensues in Parliament as the Ethics Committee report is tabled. Trinamool Congress and Congress members demand access to the report and a debate before any action. Despite protests, Mahua Moitra is expelled from Lok Sabha based on a motion moved by Parliamentary Affairs Minister Prahlad Joshi. Moitra was not given the opportunity to defend herself before the expulsion vote. However, Moitra has the legal option to challenge the decision in the Supreme Court, citing grounds of natural justice and fair hearing. Possible challenges include jurisdiction and conduct of the Ethics Committee, alleging bias or procedural irregularities. In a similar development in August, the Supreme Court stayed the conviction of Congress leader Rahul Gandhi in a criminal defamation case linked to his Modi surname remark, thereby restoring his status as a member of parliament. The apex court highlighted that the trial judge's failure to provide reasons for imposing the maximum punishment of 2 years raised questions, particularly why a slightly shorter sentence was not considered to prevent disqualification. This move not only safeguarded Gandhi's MP position but also recognized the broader impact on his constituents. This echoes a parallel with Mahua Moitra's case, where the legal proceedings intertwined with parliamentary positions, underscoring the intricate relationship between judicial actions and political representation. Both instances demonstrate the delicate balance the courts navigate when considering the consequences on MPs and their constituencies. Instances of lawmakers facing expulsion or severe reprimand have occurred in the past, often revolving around issues of corruption, bribery, or misuse of parliamentary privileges. Notable cases include the cash for questions scandal in 2005, where several members of parliament were expelled for accepting bribes in exchange for posing questions in the House. Additionally, controversies involving breaches of parliamentary conduct and ethics have led to expulsions or resignations, raising questions about the accountability and ethical standards expected from elected representatives.